Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sushmita, and of course you can make out from the title, I'm going to be unboxing the Sukhneet Glow White Kit from the Face Shop and also sharing with you my mini Face Shop haul. So let's get started with today's video. Also, I'm going to be having a giveaway at the end of the video, so don't forget to stay tuned till the end. Also, if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the like button. And if you're a returning viewer, then welcome back to my channel again, and thanks for watching, and just stay tuned. So now let's bring this thing out. So this is what it looks like. Wow, we are all vibing pink today. This thing is pink, I'm pink, everything around me is pink. Definitely pink. SM loves pink. So this is what the thing looks like. This is a very nice ombre sort of a color with a light pastel pink and some pastel blue, and this looks absolutely stunning. And yeah, I am matching my outfit with this thing today. Now I'm going to be unboxing this cute little baby. So the first thing which you have here is this card, which is Glow Vibes Only. So it's a pretty nice, very pretty looking card having Sukhneet on this thing, and it's like a very nice, pink vibe, especially to, lure and entice people like me into buying this thing. That is, I personally think that is all. Now then we have this bag. It's itself such a pretty looking bag, if you can make out. It looks so pretty, and it's written, I run on coffee, sarcasm and skincare. That's so me. And so let's just start this. So this is more like a very waterproof, sturdy looking thing. On the back side we have a diary, and this diary also itself has this ombre sort of a finish. This is what the diary looks like. I'm going to be showing you guys what this thing looks from inside. So this the inside also has this really nice ombre finished pages with this really nice sort of a thing, and it's so perfect. And there's like, yeah, okay, so each of the pages, they have got something of the other, like a quote written. Like the first one is, filters are great but skincare is better. Indeed. Then there's this thing like, you're kinder when you're moisturized. Wow. Make a resolution of never sleeping with makeup on. Wonderful. Glowing skin won't happen overnight. So this is like, like an Insta caption series for like the year from me, and I absolutely love this diary. It's so pretty and so perfect. Now next, of course, talking about the bag itself is like super pretty. You can use this for traveling. You can keep your travel stuff, your travel makeup, your travel skincare, all of this in this bag. And of course it's really nice and sturdy, and you can take this thing again out of it as well. So you can just have this transparent pack, and you can have this bag separately as well. Now let's open this baby up and see what's inside. So again, the zip itself has this really nice gold detailing. I love when things have gold or rose gold and stuff to them. Wow. Okay, so the first thing which I can see is a face wash, I guess. Yeah. So this is the Twinkle Party Herb Days 365 Master Blending Foaming Cleanser. Okay. And this is in the variant of aloe and green tea. This is what the thing looks like. Wonderful. Now green tea and aloe is something which really suits my skin type, so I'm really happy that I have this face wash in here. I guess this particular one has got 3 different sorts of packaging or 3 different types of face washes. I'm lucky to have got this thing. Then they have, of course, a sheet mask. So this is the rice water sheet mask. Again, really nice, pretty pink sort of a sheet mask. They have maintained the theme of the color so well. Then again, I think I have another hand cream. Is this hand cream? So this is again by this Twinkle Party Daily Perfumed hand cream. This is what it looks like. A really nice, very Christmassy sort of a variant, and this is in the variant of orchid. Yeah, so it's very nice and pretty, very nice, cute looking. Again, some golden detailing to just add to the aesthetics. So the next thing which we have, okay. So they have made sure that they're sticking to the color pink, and I am so excited to just use this. So this is the Shia seed range. In fact, Face Shop Shia seed range itself is pretty pink. So this is the Shia seed hydrating Tryout kit, ensemble trio hydrant. Okay, and I'm just gonna see what's inside this thing. So they have the toner, the lotion, and I think they have like a balm or a cream. So this is the thing. This is what the package looks like. Now, the last thing that we have in this bag is this really nice, pretty cute pink looking jar. So it says, believe in what you wish for. Wow, this is like so encouraging. And again, a very nice cute pink detailing with this sort of a jar. Okay, I just brought this thing out, and inside you'll get these sort of like nice ribbons, and of course you'll again get those pink, really nice pink ombre sort of pages which you can stick, which you can just like write your resolutions, write your wishes and like a lot of those things, and like that is the thing about it. And I think this is absolutely super cute. It's perfect, you know, to start your new year with. So that was the Glow Vibes kit for you. Now a few more things which I picked up from the face shop, the sale. So the first is this green natural seed antioxidant trio kit. Now I didn't really buy this. This was more like a free gift that came with it. It is like the green seed range. Comes with the lotion, cream, and I guess a toner. So this is like the basic thing, what it looks like. I'm just going to show you guys what's inside. It's pretty much like the Shia seed range itself, yeah. So this is what the thing looks like. So the next thing that I have is the Face Shop's Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. So this is what the thing looks like, and this is really nice. The packaging is pretty cute and decent, and this one I think I got in one of those like those combo sort of things, and this thing looks really nice and pretty. I'm yet to use it because I just bought this thing. I'm really yet to use this. I can't really tell you guys whether it works for me or not. Okay, the next thing which I have is a Jeju Volcanic Lava Deep Pore Cleansing Foam Scrub. So I guess this is one of their best sellers out there, and I have seen a lot of people really like recommend this product, saying that it really works. They, however, I think changed their packaging. So this is what the new packaging looks like. It also comes with a mask. I got the mask from Innisfree, so I didn't want to, you know, like get the same sort of mask from the Face Shop as well. So I'm going to be using all of these. I have not yet used any of these on my skin. So the next thing that I have with me is the Face Shop's Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. So this is what the thing looks like. And it's 150 ml, retails for I think 800 rupees. Now I was actually looking to, you know, start a proper morning skincare routine, for which I was looking for a toner, and I already own a toner from the Lakme, but that is more like something which I used before I started my makeup. I wanted something which is more nourishing and has some actives in it. So this is the toner which I picked up, you know, for my morning skincare routine. And along with that, I also picked up the Face Shop's Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Emulsion. So it's from the same range itself. So this is the toner, this is like the emulsion. And again, it also is 150 ml. The retail price is not mentioned. I guess that one retails for 850, this one retails for 900, something like that. Now, the next thing that I have is the Face Shop's Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. So this is again the small stuff that it is. Pretty small, it's 50 ml. But this is a very like nice and hydrating moisturizer. Now the thing with the Rice Ceramide range is that it kind of suits all skin types, whether you're oily or dry or sensitive, whatever the skin type is. I personally have oily skin type, so I guess it is gonna suit me. I don't know, have not tried it out, so I don't know. So yeah, that was all about my Face Shop's Glow Vibes with Sukhneet unboxing and my mini haul. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button next to it, and also stay tuned for more of my videos. And now coming to my giveaway, I will be giving away 2 Nykaa vouchers worth 500 rupees each, and this giveaway is going to run from the 10th of December till the 25th of December on both YouTube as well as Instagram. And the details of the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out as well. Until then, take care, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video very soon.